Hey YouTube land, Sloan's Wilderness Expeditions back at you again. We're actually on our way home right now from our awesome Florida trip. And we decided to stop on the way back and stretch our legs a bit. We are in Kentucky, McCreary County, part of the Daniel Boone National Forest, but technically it's actually Cumberland Falls State Park. That's what that roar is behind us. The single largest waterfall east of the Mississippi, other than Niagara, of course. So, we're not going to that side right now. We're actually going to take a trail on the opposite side. It goes to Eagle Creek Falls. So hopefully we'll get to see two awesome falls in this short little hike right here. Cumberland River is roaring today. So there's the upper Cumberland Falls. Right beside us here is the Eagle Falls. Psych. Here's what makes the Cumberland River so special. Look at this view. Look at all the water vapor coming off from the waterfall. Yeah. Creates its own fog. On nights of a full moon, you can come down there and you see a moonbow. This is the kind of stuff I love. Up in the rocks, lots of bluffage, gorgeous river below us. You feel like an explorer? Yep. This is what we like doing, is exploring, seeing what we can get into. Oh yeah. That's pretty impressive. I like it. So Catfish, what are your thoughts so far here on the Eagle Creek Trail?
Some big waterfalls.
Big waterfalls and just absolutely gorgeous scenery, isn't it?
Yeah.
Love it.